Alright, this is the OEM headlight. I'm going to change this to a more like a whitish color headlight. That's after install. This is a 2010 Toyota Prius. This is like a stock headlight. It works, but not great. I'm going to change into like a plug and play LED headlight and then show you the result. Alright, this is like after install the LED headlight. It seems like a wider compared to the OEM, and might be a bit further, but definitely the colors are much better. I would say it's brighter than before. I would say there's like a good upgrade to the car. Hello everyone, welcome back to the EZAUTO channel. And today I will change like the light bulb from the OEM to this like a LED. Because like it's really hard to see at night. This is a H8, H9, H11. Yeah, I got this like AUXITO LED plug and play light bulb. The result is great. I will put the link in the description below. You will have a 15% discount if you use the link. Alright, so you can go to the description and then click the link to AUXITO LED, and then during checkout you can apply this coupon code EZAUTO. Click the link and bring you to the main page. Now you can pick what you're looking for. For me, I want an LED bulb. For my car, it's a 2010 and it is a Toyota. It's a Prius. So I want to replace my low beam to the LED, and then yep, my headlight is a capsule headlamp. Pretty much, I think it's called projector headlight. So now here's all the options you can pick. Yep, the one I pick is this one because I want a cool white. You can say add to cart, click it. You can do add to cart, and then pick how many quantity you want. Well, I have one set headlight, I pick one, and then now you can do proceed to checkout. And then in here, you can go back to the video and copy the coupon code and paste in here and do apply. And there you go. Voila. Order discount by the code EZAUTO. It saved you like about $12. Yep. So if you need a headlight, click the link in the description, and then it will bring you to the main page, and then you can pick you want to do an LED bulb, or you want to do like a light assembly or accessory, and then pick your year, make, and model, and apply the coupon code. Alright, let's go back to the video. Alright, let's see. That is a low beam bulb, and I believe so. This is the plug. This is the low beam. Yeah, the one with a green tab on the back. So now I need to twist. So I need to twist it up, and then pull it out. And here's the bulb. I need to separate the bulb from the socket. So here's a tab. I just like squish it, and then like one hand hold the bottom of the socket. Don't hold the wire, hold the socket. And then like I just grab on the side of the bulb, just pull it out. Oh, and also like it's so hard to take a a nice video down here because the space limitation. So the bulb was sitting like this inside the headlight, the low beam. I turn this way and then pull it out. I said let's open up the light, the package. It's nice. It gives you a glove, so make sure it's not put some like oil from your finger to the bulb, and have a user manual. But to show you how to do the install, and then get the warranty. Okay, and here's the bulb. Well, if I line up like a base to base, the length of the bulb seems the same. And then I try to make sure like all this tab, they are in the same orientation. They do. Alright, so I can go in this way and then do a twist. Yeah, so he's like what's the hole look like? So I need to put all the tabs aligned with those teeth, I would say. Like this. Alright, so it's in. So now I just need to do a turn. Before I do a turn, I want to put in the connector first. Alright, it's tight. So now I can turn it. Alright, now the connector now the connector is like pointing down. So I think that's a good orientation. Let's move to the passenger side. So let's see, for the passenger side, this side a little bit tricky. There's like more stuff around, but like it's the same idea. So let's see. So here's the bulb. Yeah, this side I cannot fit both hands underneath. So I use like a small hose plier to push on the connector, and then like another hand I can like sneak in from here and unplug the bulb. Here's the bulb. Here's the bulb. The bulb was set like this at the low beam, so I need to turn this way and pull it out. Yeah, this side I want to do a little bit different. I want to put in the light bulb and lock it first before I plug in from the bottom. Right, the bulb is in. And now I can plug in the connector. Alright, everything's in. Let's give a quick small pull. Alright, everything's still in place. Get the connector not pushing down, nothing crazy. That's after install. Wow, it looked much better. Well, there you go, guys. That's how I install the LED light for my 2010 Toyota Prius. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, give me a like. See you in the next video. Bye bye.